Hello and welcome to NewsX. I am Sambhav Sharma and I am joined by Advocate Vishnu Shankar Jain here to talk about what the Supreme Court has come down heavily on the obscenity on the OTT platforms, where the Supreme Court said that it is a serious issue. And Advocate Vishnu Shankar Jain was the counsel for the petitioner. Mr. Jain, please elaborate to our viewers what exactly happened, transpired inside the courtroom.
So this petition has been filed by ex-Information Commissioner Shri Uday Mahurkar ji, Sanjeev Nevar ji, as well as Swati Goyal ji, and they have worked immensely so far as this obscenity field is concerned. And let me tell you that our major concern was that this unregulated, obscene and indecent content which is floating on social media and OTT platforms must be checked, must be regulated, because it is completely destroying the minds of our youth. And Supreme Court, after hearing both the sides, I also mentioned before the court that this is not an adversarial litigation. The learned Solicitor General of India, Shri Tushar Mehta, also accepted that this is not an adversarial litigation.
He was for the government of
He was appearing for the central government, for the Union of India, and he also admitted and accepted that yes, this is a serious issue and the government is framing regulations, and many more regulations are going to be brought in the near future. And he also requested the Honorable Supreme Court to issue notice in the matter, and Honorable Supreme Court to monitor the matter. Therefore, the Honorable Supreme Court has issued notice in this case to the Union as well as all the OTT and social media platforms. And our major concern is that so far as Section 5A of the Cinematographic Act 1952 is concerned, if any film is being published or telecasted, there is a censor board. But so far as OTT and social media platforms are concerned, this indecent content, this obscene content is floating without any regulation, without any check. So Article 19, right to freedom of speech and expression, comes with reasonable restriction, and this kind of content, this kinds of content must be checked.
Okay, so now exactly the same Article 19 Clause 1 of Indian Constitution, which gives a right for freedom of speech and expression, they come to the Supreme Court quoting that yeah, the freedom of expression is being curtailed, and there could be a lot of things
See,
they
let me tell you, your right to swing your arm ends where my nose begins.
Yeah.
It's a very well-known proverb.
Absolutely.
And Article 19, freedom of speech and expression, comes with reasonable restrictions. Article 19(2) says that freedom of speech and expression is subject to public order, health and morality. So if you are showing such indecent content, and let me tell you, it is not that I am speaking before you or before the Honorable Court without any research. Professor Dominic Dixon, who is a well-known psychologist, has done a lot of research on this issue, and he has said that there is direct correlation with such kind of obscene content with offense against women and children. So if you are having POSCO Act in this country, if you are having provisions of anti-rape laws in this country, but how that offense should not be committed, how the minds of the citizens should not be polluted with this kind of obscene content is a major concern. And therefore the Honorable Supreme Court, after hearing both the sides, has issued notice in the matter, as well as the Honorable Supreme Court has issued notice to the 9 OTT and social media platforms.
Okay, the matter was before Justice B.R. Gavai's bench,
Yes,
who is
Justice.
going to be the next Chief Justice of India.
Yes.
Okay, so now what are the contents of your petition? I want to know.
See, my petition basically has focused on a research, 39
You
representations.
talked about research also. A
Yes, all the
background
research of Professor Dominic Dixon, the international treaty to which India is a party. Apart from that, we have done a detailed research on various OTT and social media platforms with seconds where this kind of obscene content has been shown. And that obscene content I cannot speak on your channel right now. That has been presented before the Honorable Supreme Court with minutes and seconds, where it has been floated, on social media as well as OTT platforms. Apart from that,
is it freely available?
Yes,
on the
it is
social
very easily
media? I mean,
available.
supposedly we talk about 1 or 2 apps which they disclaim, or rather they come up with a disclaimer that it's a content for 18 plus.
See,
adults.
the issue is not about content of 18 plus. The issue is that so far as Cinematographic Act is concerned, whether this kind of content can be shown in any cinema, whether Section 5A makes a restriction so far as cinema is concerned, so far as films are concerned. And if these restrictions are there under the Cinematographic Act for films, why these restrictions are not there so far as social media and OTT platforms are concerned? If there is a censor board, so far as films are concerned, Section 5A is there. So far as obscenity is concerned, the same provision has to apply so far as OTT and social media platforms are concerned.
Well, thank you very much, Advocate Vishnu Shankar Jain, for speaking to us. Thank you.
For more such videos, subscribe to the NewsX YouTube channel, hit the bell icon.